Now, you know some of my favorite characters, so you know I have to read My Friend is Sad, The Elephant and Piggie books by Mo Williams. My Friend is Sad. My friend is sad. Let me just scooch over. Oh. My friend is sad. I will make him happy. Yeehaw! Look at Elephant. He's like, what? A cowboy! Look how Elephant's face has changed. Gerald loves cowboys, but he is still sad. Oh, look how sad Elephant is. Now we got double question marks. He's like, Look how good of a friend Piggie is trying to cheer up Gerald. A clown! Clowns are funny, but he is still sad. Oh. Now he's even bending over. He's so sad. Uh-oh. He's got like 3 question marks. Look at his little eyebrow going up like, what? A robot! Look how hard Piggie's... He's sweating so hard in there. How can anyone be sad around a robot? Oh. Now he's laying down on the ground. Looks like Piggie's getting a little frustrated, isn't he? I'm so sorry. I wanted to make you happy, but you were still sad. I am not sad now. I'm happy. You are happy? I am happy because you are here. But I was so sad, Piggie, so very sad. I saw a cowboy? But you love cowboys. I do love cowboys, but you were not there to see him. Oh no. Gerald doesn't realize it was Piggie. Well, in fact, there was more. Then I saw a clown, a funny clown. Look at Piggie's, he's like, But you were not there to see him. But there was more. I saw a robot, a cool robot. And my best friend was not there to see it with me. Poor Gerald. But, you see, I am here now. You are here now. My friend is here now. I need my friends. You need new glasses. Why does he say that? The end. I'll read more of these